Sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this false cottage aboard this tiny ship. The captain was a drunken sailor man, his name was Robert Hale. His right-hand girl was named Babette, the story she could tell.
It was frightening. It was absolutely frightening. Fear took over the whole ship.
The question of alcohol came up. Who brought that up?
I did.
Gilfried.
Sorry.
The first names was Bruce Kunkley, his wife and child on board. A family cruise went down the tubes when Mother Nature roared. When Mother Nature roared.
I just want to thank Albie for saving my life. If I get one thing straight, I'm not from drums, I'm from Throop.
The oxen riders were scared to death. They both feared for their lives. But when Karen looked for Albie, he was with Al Kubik's wife. With Al Kubik's wife.
All I seen was a man on my wife. That's all I seen.
Back at the house, the cook and the crew were getting mighty scared. Big Bob pulled out the rosary and led them all in prayer. And led them all in prayer.
I was preparing food for all these people, and I didn't know how many hamburgers to put on because, well, I knew some of them wouldn't make it.
Oh, it was a panic situation. It's a good thing that Pop-Pop was here because he kept us all under control, asking us if we wanted weenies or something.
The crew decided to swim ashore. They all abandoned ship, running barefoot over water and rocks. Made it a painful trip.
I had fallen, and I couldn't get up. I had chest pain.
You know when they say, I was scared, but I want to see my pants? I almost... Karen did pee her pants. I think there may have been a trickle. That's how scared I was. It was really scary. My daughter was clinging to me, and I did the best that I could.
The storm was raging overhead, they're dodging lightning bolts. On shore, Stanley and Larry could tell, he could feel the massive jolt.
I was going to the store for milk, and they all said
Once we got on shore, I felt very safe, but then I went back to get Albie's moccasins. And at that point, a crack of lightning came down. And
I was ready to throw it all away. I was ready to throw my whole life away.
Last 2 times we were to fall, we had near-death experiences.
They brought them back to the eel cottage, their bodies wet and bruised, but their injuries would soon be healed by drinking lots of booze. By drinking lots of booze.
In retrospect, everyone survived, and I'm just glad of that. And it was the courage of the crew that really brought us through this.
Is there any New York City from which the storm came?
well, some say that our worst storms come down from the Billington.
I'll be honest with you. It didn't seem that life-threatening to me until I seen the rain coming. There was lightning. There was thunder. And one of the drunken mates from their boat was with my wife. I said to him, "What are you doing? You have one tennis shoe on." And to this day, besides his derriere and his tennis shoes are the only things I can identify him by.
So join us here each week, my friend. You're sure to get a smile from 7 stranded castaways here on Monkey